Good afternoon. I'm George Ash. I'm the architect for the project at 459 Alvarado, which is replacing the building that burned down about 7 years ago on this site. And we're just taking a tour of the almost completed new building on Alvarado Street, which will contain 3 to 4 commercial spaces downstairs, including a couple of the restaurants, and there are 8 apartments on the second floor. And we designed this building to reminisce and pay respect to the original building that was here that burned down. And it's almost complete. It should be complete in about a month.